ஐயா வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். Our second question, what is religion? What is spirituality?
Right. This is a nice question.
Thank you. Yeah.
Because there is a lot of confusion between religion and spirituality. A man of spirituality need not be a religious person. And one cannot assure that a religious person is really spiritual also. So we have to distinguish between what is religion and what is spirituality. In the last lecture, we saw that a scientist and a philosopher, they are traveling in the same line, but in the opposite directions. A scientist starts from the universe and tries to come to the source. But a philosopher starts from the source and he tries to come to the universe.
Yes.
Or in other words, we can say a scientist starts from the effect and tries to go to the cause. A philosopher starts from the cause and tries to come to the effect. Now, Buddha was a philosopher. Shankara was a philosopher. When a philosopher comes, after him, the people who come after the philosopher, they institutionalize. They make the philosophy as an institution with a lot of rules and regulations. When philosophy is added with lot of rules and regulations, it becomes a religion. So Muhammad Nabi is a philosopher. Jesus Christ is a philosopher. But people after him, after them, added lot of rules and regulations. You should not do this, you should do this, like that. So when you put conditions, it becomes religion. So we have a lot of philosophers and after them lot of religions also. Now, what is spirituality? Spirituality is connected with your action. If you care for others' feelings and if you want to mitigate the sufferings of the other, you are a spiritual person. So, when it comes to choose between a religion and a human being, a person, a religious person will always stand for the religion. He will not worry about the feelings of the persons. But a spiritual person, he will worry only about the feelings of the person, yes, and he will not worry about the religion.
Okay.
So there is a lot of difference. A judge is a spiritual person. We cannot say he is a religious person. Because a judge, given the witnesses and given the constitutional law, he will say what is to be told, what is to be said, that's all. He is not worried about the religions which the accused belongs to or he belongs to. He is not a religious person there. So everybody has to be spiritual rather than religious. So a philosophy, when it becomes a religion, when a philosophy is added with rules and regulations, it becomes a religion. But spirituality is concerned with the behavior of the person. If a person gives importance to the feelings of the others, and if he tries to do something to decrease the sufferings of the others, then he is a spiritual person. So Mahatma Gandhi is a spiritual person because his whole life he dedicated to the whole nation. So he is a spiritual person. So he is called a Mahatma.
Mahatma.
Yeah. Nowhere a religious person is called a Mahatma. Karamchand Gandhi is called a Mahatma because he is highly spiritual.
Highly spiritual.
Therefore, it is important to be very spiritual rather than religious. Okay. So here there is a subtle difference. Okay. Worshipping, going to the temple or a mosque or a church is not spiritual. It is only religious.
Religious.
Without going to any of them, if you do good things to others, that is spiritual. So one has to be a spiritual again rather than a religious. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Blessed. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க.
Thank you. வாழ்க
Thank you.
வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க.